go check it out. Hit this like button, hit the subscribe button, and let's go check out this restaurant. Welcome to How to Have Fun Cruising. That's right, with Alice and Tommy T, your cruise channel. And boy, oh boy, do we got a special one for you today. Are you ready? Qsine dinner review. That's right, on the Celebrity Equinox 2023. If you haven't, definitely check out our website, How to Have Fun Cruising. But today it's all about new technology, new innovation, and one of the coolest dinners you're ever going to have on the ocean. Celebrity Cruises has done it. They teamed up with Skull Mapping and they put together one incredible show with this table animation studios work that you're going to see on this video like nothing you've ever seen. Everybody's talking about it. It was a lot of fun. We had a great time, and we're going to walk you through this dinner start to finish as quickly as we can, just with the highlights, and show you some of the animation and some of the food. You're going to absolutely love it. If you haven't seen our other video, that's right, on the Tuscan Grill review, their premier steakhouse Italian restaurant on the Celebrity Equinox, definitely check that out. Awesome video. But we've got a great video for you here today that you're going to love. This is something totally different. We had a ball. Definitely subscribe. Hit that like button. Check out our Facebook. Check out our Instagram. Check out our website. Give us a big old like so we can bring you more of these videos. And are you ready? Qsine on the Celebrity Equinox. This is all the rage, and let's go check it out. This is an upgrade restaurant where you actually pay more. It's a set menu also, and obviously they can accommodate some of your needs in regards to vegetarian and if you don't want beef, etc. But overall, it is all about the technology and the innovation of this display. We're going to show you real quickly, and but overall, even though it was a set menu, the food was fantastic. But it's a lot of fun, something totally different than what you're used to seeing. So let's go ahead and get started.
The experience created by skull mapping. Let me give you a couple of tips in order to get the best experience. Please remove your personal items from the tabletop so that Le Petit Chef does not trip as he likes running around. Place your napkins in your lap and make sure your plate is perfectly aligned with a magical circle of light. Please silence your phone so as not to disturb the other guests. And now, without further ado, allow me to introduce to you, all the way from France, measuring 6 centimeters, the world's smallest chef, Le Petit Chef.
So just like that, dinner starts, and we're not going to show all the animation because we don't want to ruin it for you when you go and have this dinner. We'll highlight some of the food, but what's really amazing, as you can see, with every single dish, there is a video along with a storyline. And it is pretty cool. And he basically makes the dish before it is served on the table, and you get to watch that. So it is super, super cool. Let's go ahead and check out the first dish. So just like that, after the animation was complete, sure enough, out comes the appetizer. You did get the choice of soup, the one they did the animation on, or you could get some, onion soup or some other appetizers. But in any case, it was really cool to see this. And then after that was done, you go right into the next animation, and our little chef there gets going, and he's bringing in all kinds of great stuff, as you can see here, fish and lobster and all kinds of cool things. And the next thing you know, whammo, out comes the dish.
Wow, let me see.
The lobster was actually excellent. We were surprised. We were expecting a lot of animation. We didn't know what the food would be like. but the food quality was excellent. We were really impressed. They did a great job. The overall experience was fantastic, and nothing like having lobster.
Lobster is great.
Thank you.
All right, Alice, what do you got tattoos?
Oh,
You got tattoos.
Oh, look at my tattoos. They're super
What?
awesome.
Tattoos. Oh.
After having some fun at the table, we were ready for the next course. That's right, filet mignon.
That's awesome.
That's nice, eh?
And just like that, the fillets came out, and I have to admit that we didn't expect this quality of meat at all. In fact, we were all like, what? What's going on? Take a look at this fillet. I mean, it was outstanding, and our best guess was that they were cooking these fillets right up next to, that's right, the Tuscan Grill. The restaurants are side by side, but the steak was outstanding. That's right, outstanding. So lobster, great steak. How do you do better than that? Called an amazing dessert. So we've cut out most of the animation because we don't want to ruin your experience. It is so much fun. It is really cute. We'll show you a little bit of it at the end here so you can see how fun it is. But overall, the experience was tremendous. And the steaks were great. The dinner was great. The lobster was great. And how about this dessert? Boy, oh boy, was it a lot of fun to watch this animation. We're going to show you a little bit of the animation now and then finish up with dessert.
Attention.
Oh. Hey, Alice.
As you can see, the animation's a lot of fun, and everybody enjoyed it. There wasn't one person at the restaurant not smiling. So this is a sure win for one of your upgrade dinners. Definitely, I would pay the price to get your family or loved ones in here and kids. Everybody would love it. And the dessert, phenomenal, like all the rest of the food.
Oh,
It's
my
so fun.
Woo!
Great dinner.
Best dinner on the cruise ship
Come
right
here
there.
At the Qsine.
All right. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Wow, what a great night, great dinner, great service, great food. And what about this birthday celebration? Everybody had a great time. We give it a 5-star. It was an absolutely awesome dinner. Celebrity Cruise Lines has got a winner with Qsine. Great job, and thank you so much for watching How to Have Fun